What's up, you guys? Welcome to my March Boxycharm. A little bit different way of doing things today. I had Lasik surgery this week, so I am without eye makeup for a week-ish. So we're just gonna do a little go through it. We're not gonna do a try-on today. Next month, I got you. Boxycharm is a one-time-a-month subscription service. That sounded weird. Boxycharm is a once-a-month subscription service. I get the premium box, but there is a higher-end box and a lower-end box compared to what I have. I have something kind of in the middle. I pay 40 bucks a month for this box. There's like an $85 product in here. I have gotten a $200 product in here. Crazy. But this is where I typically get a lot of my skincare, which is great. And we got a really great foundation in here today, so I'm super pumped about that. Before we jump into the box, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. If you'd like to be notified every time I do upload, you can click that little bell down there and it will shoot you a little message every time I upload a video. So this month's theme is Game Changers, celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Very cool. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 full-size products in the box. We're going to go ahead and start with the first thing on the card and probably the best thing in the box, which is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This retails for $44. This is a new brand to Boxy, so this is one of the first times we've ever gotten a Charlotte Tilbury product. This is a very, very popular foundation, weightless, full coverage, and a natural matte finish. As you can see, I already grizzly bear ripped into the box before I could even do this video. I picked the shade 5.5 Neutral before my box shipped, so I was actually able to pick the shade I wanted, which is good. I think that's a great thing, and I really appreciate the fact that they will do that and give us the option to do that. So beautiful packaging, nice little like frosted glass and everything there. So Charlotte Tilbury is definitely a more higher end product or brand, and I think I only own like 1 or 2 things from her brand. So I'm really excited to get this. I want to do a little test on the back of my hand here. I actually think I have my scented moisturizer. Yes. Oh, that's so nice. So nice, so lightweight, blends so nicely into my hand. I'm really excited to use this. I would have used it today, but I felt like it would have been a little too much coverage for the less glam look that we're going with today. I'm really excited to add this into my collection. I just did a big deep clean of my makeup collection, so got rid of a lot of foundation, so I'm really excited to add a brand new one, especially a higher end one in there. Next product is the Ciaté London Dewy Skin Vitamin C Glass Glow Primer. This is to prep skin for flawless dewy makeup application with a cushiony texture. This primer provides a luminous glow with a dewy glass-like finish. Vitamin E, hydration. This retails for $32. We get a lot of Ciaté London in here, or every so often. But I love a good primer, especially like a dewy vitamin C one. Like those are all really good things, especially going into the summertime. So perfect little size here. Dragon fruit and yuzu extract. Wow, fancy. It's a white, so it said it was a white primer. No scent. It's making the back of my hand very glowy. I think we've gotten this before, or I've gotten them in a FabFitFun before. This is the Grace and Stella Eye Mask, Collagen Boosting Eye Masks. It retails for $24. You get 12 eye masks in here. That's pretty nice. I love to pop these into my travel bag, so I'm ever in a, sorry, Bella's got a bone right now and she is going to town. I love popping the eye masks into like my makeup bag or my toiletry bag and taking them with me. I'm going on a vacation here soon, and we'll be taking a trip for work as well. So I love popping them in there, put them on at night, in the morning while you're getting ready, and just give yourself a nice little like under eye refresh. Next thing is the Nue Co, which I've never heard of before. The pill all-in-one serum, a single daily dose of high potency Actives. Designed to remove dead skin cells, increase cell regeneration, hydrate, and depuff the skin. $85. So this is a vitamin C, I guess just a serum. Anti-inflammatory. It's got caffeine, glycolic acid, tiger grass, hyaluronic acid, lactic acid. Cute little, I hope this turns and locks. Yes, okay, good. I like a good serum, and it's an all-in-one. So we're all about the vitamin C in this box, which is great. Again, great little travel product. Stick it in your bag, go. And for $85, I've never heard of that brand. I gotta do some research. I want to say it's ἀTHR Beauty, ＡTHR, but the A has a little line over it. ἀTHR Beauty Big Bang Mascara, Ultimate Lash Maximizing Black Diamond Infused Mascara. Fancy. $28. Length, volume, curl, definition. Cruelty-free and vegan. This is a brand out of Arizona. Interesting. Organic and fair trade. Ooh, a white mascara bottle. It's like actually a little like iridescent, but that's, you don't normally see white mascara. I love that. Or white mascara tubes. Okay. I don't know. That bristle looks a little plain Jane to me. It doesn't really have built like a curvy shape to it or anything that you see these days. Looks like normal. So I'm excited to try that when I can do that. Last thing in the box is the Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel. I'm a little intrigued by this. It seems like you would use it on your sore muscles. So we're going to read here. Experience the cooling, comforting, and transformative power of invigorating black pepper. Well, I got some of that in the kitchen. Warming ginger and detoxifying rosemary. And this award-winning gel, the perfect antidote to an intense workout or a demanding day. This tube retails for $40. And it just says De-Stress Muscle Gel, focusing and smoothing. Vegan, 100% natural, sourced with care. Massage directly onto problem areas. I guess this is literally just like something to put on your sore muscles. I don't know. That sounds cool. I can't open it. Oh, it's already like, whoo. Oh, it's very fragrant. Rosemary is like just a super fragrant thing anyway. We'll try it. I mean, I go to the gym. I work out. I have sore muscles. Sometimes. It's a little smelly. Like, it's not smelly, but it's just a strong smell. So it doesn't really make me want to rub it on my body and then like get in the bed because your sheets smell like, I don't know. I feel like something like this should be like fragrance free. Even though it's natural, I still feel like it should be a little fragrance free. I'll have to do some research on this and see if it actually works because I don't know. Sometimes I feel like those things are kind of gimmicky. I think I'm just a skeptic. Maybe, probably, definitely. All right, let's add up the box. Okay, so this box retails for $2.53. I get the box for $40, so pretty good deal. I got it. My favorite thing in the box has got to be the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. Like, I know that I'm going to use this all the time. Thank you guys so much for watching my quick unboxing here. We will be back to our regularly scheduled Boxycharm try-on next month. Before you leave, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate that. And if you'd like to be notified when I upload, please don't forget to click that little notification bell. I hope you guys are happy. I hope you're well, and I hope you're having a good one. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye. Oh, I have a cold.